कोच जो आसा रोमानियन बरें फिटनेस दिलें ताणें म्हाका दिसता हे फावटी वी गॉट अ चान्स टू बी टेक दिस I League this year. Also professional आमी बरें आसतले मुखार इतले लास्ट टायम प्रोफेशनल मातशें आमचें हें जाली.
The team today is leaving for their first away match. We are playing 3 away matches and then our first match in Goa is on 15th of November. We are working on 2 stadiums, but most likely we'll play in Bambolim or Tilak, but most likely Bambolim.
I will ask the players, my players, to play for Mr. Alemao first. I have confidence in my players, and I hope together to come here with. Sure, I want and I hope to come with a maximum of points, 9 points. It's very important to start to have one start very good.
गोंयची एकूच टीम चर्चिल ब्रदर्स आय लिगेक खेळटा. आज तेणी मडगांव टीमीचे अनाउन्समेंट केला आनी सगळे गोंयकारां लागीं मागला चर्चिल ब्रदर्स टीमीक सपोर्ट करचो म्हूण. प्रुडंटा खातीर मडगांवच्यान सावी डायस.